Yes. Oh. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So now that the engine is inside the bay, we're going to be starting on the wiring. So we're just getting all our things together so we can start plugging everything in. This is the original harness from my S14. So I went ahead and labeled this F3 plug because we're going to need to cut this one off. We do have to cut a couple of other things off, but we have everything labeled on this so far. And on the inside of the car, I just tried to label everything that needs switch power, constant power, or cranking power. So it's kind of almost there. I just have to go through it again and just make sure that everything is labeled correctly. So I have the power is going to all the things that need power and switch power. So I have all my wiring right here. It's very confusing looking. Had a very hard time doing all this. It's been a couple of hours since the last time I checked in. I just need to hook up the ignition switch and the injector power, and then we should be pretty much good to go to see if we can try to start the car. I found all my information on top this Sylvia form, and I'm just going through all the things that it's saying to connect and just trying to find the wires and connecting it from there. So if you guys are gonna do this swap or want information on this, I'll have this link down in the description down below. So in connecting the wires, we're using these little heat shrink tubes, and what's super cool about it is they have a little bit of solder on the inside, so when you heat it up, it shrinks this and it expands it and it melts it into the wires, so that way everything is connected really good. I'll show you. I have to connect the tack wire. I'm going to use one of these little ones. So now that everything on the inside is pretty much hooked up, we're gonna connect the starter wire to the plug that's at the bottom over there.
I'm gonna go ahead and take this intake apart so that way I can get the MAF section on its own. Reason being is because this big filter will not fit in that little space right there, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off just this section that I need right here. So let me go ahead and take off these 410 millimeters and get this on the car because we're gonna attempt to start this car. We just need to do some finishing touches, and we're just gonna go through a quick check and see if everything is ready to start. So here we're going, guys. Christine is now plugging in the ECU and I'm going to turn the accessories on and see if we can hear everything else coming on. Okay, so Christine is now pulling the plug in. We are going to put the key in ignition.
Do you want me to do something?
No, you can just watch. Okay. We got cluster lights, that's good. Nothing. I don't even hear the fuel pump come on. So we got nothing on the first crank. Make sure everything's plugged in, make sure nothing is popped. Oh. What? I'm so mental. I need to push the clutch. That's why nothing's working.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, hold on.
Wait.
Ready? Oh, it cranks. Ready?
Yes. Oh. What kind of fire?
Something. But thank you, Jesus, that we were prepared for that. I had took out the pin and I had was ready for it this time. But that's why we don't start without like headers and stuff.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but that's a good sign though, because it will start.
Okay.
Well, I'm assuming it's getting fuel obviously now, because it's fuel came out.
Yeah.
So we gotta make sure that, I mean, there's spark too because it caught on fire. So yeah, it'll work.
So everything is good.
Yeah. Let's call it a day. We'll push the car out tomorrow, double check the wiring. Holy crap. Did you see that?
That
I hope we caught that on film.
I hope so
that was
too.
a big fire. The fire was like up to here.
That scared me.
No, but see, that's what happened. So like,
Daddy,
that's why you have to be prepared.
Yeah.
I
I'm so happy that we have a fire extinguisher now, because the last couple fires that we had, it was like we had to go run and grab the hose and everything.
Yo, shout out to Tesla.
Good thing it didn't damage anything, right?
We gotta double check, but there's not really any wiring and stuff on this side. But oh, it works though. It works.
It
That's
works,
cool.
yeah.
It works.
And it's because we weren't pressing the clutch. Yeah?
So it wasn't cranking because we still have the clutch safety switch wiring in place, like from factory. Normally you bypass that, so you don't have to push the clutch to start it or crank it, but it works. That's so cool.
Yeah.
But now we just gotta, I say we go grab headers and yeah, see when it does that, it's like I said, remember flames and stuff catch on fire. That's what will happen.
Alright guys, so the car, it's pretty much good to go, yeah? It's a good sign that it cranked.
We haven't officially started it, but it's a good sign that majority of the wiring should be okay.
Yeah.
So we will be digging into this further. Oh my god, the thing caught on fire. Like, it was in flames.
Yeah.
Luckily it was only like this little section right here. And there's not much going on in this section over here, so
yeah,
just, you know, like this could have turned out really bad. So thank you, Jesus, that nothing bad happened and we were prepared this time. So yeah, well, we're gonna dive into this tomorrow, so we'll catch up with you guys when we figure everything out.
Okay, so we'll update you guys on what we do next, but it's starting to get super exciting. The fire was just kind of nuts, but it's okay, everything is good. So we'll update you guys on what we're gonna do next. Thank you guys so much for watching, for rocking with us. We appreciate you guys' love and support. Go to Car Shop Bloom and cop some merch if you guys haven't already, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.